Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get the new Wallach 9 spaceport avatar decoration. This is done by watching the new Dune Prophecy trailer, and this is the first video quest that Discord has released on their Quest platform. That's right, so no longer you have to play any game or stream any game to anyone to actually get a new avatar decoration. All you have to do is literally watch a 2-minute trailer. So as you can see, I'm on my Discord client right now, and I'm in the Discovery tab. And if you go under the Quests tab, by the way, this has to be done on PC. This does not work on mobile or tablet. It has to be done on a computer or a laptop. And you have to go to the Quest tab, and you'll see the new Dune Prophecy quest here. And all you have to do is literally click Start Video Quest. And once you click the button, it'll start playing the trailer automatically. And you could even mute the trailer in the background if you don't want to watch it, but it's only 2 minutes, so it's definitely worth watching because you might as well. And as you can see, there is a progress bar for as you watch it. The progress bar will go up, but it's only 2.5 minutes, so we will watch it and get the new decoration. And there we go. So now that we've finished watching the trailer, you can see that the claim reward button has now appeared, and the progress bar has fully filled up. So now we can click claim reward, and once you do that, you'll just verify yourself, and you will be given the new decoration. So you can see the new decoration is actually very, very clean, and you can see that it only lasts on your profile for the next 2 months. So that is how you get the new Dune Prophecy quest and to get the new avatar decoration. Personally, I think the new video quest that Discord has is a very, very smart way of promoting people's trailers for their games or movies. And I feel like this will be utilized a lot more in the future, and possibly even more than actually playing games, because I feel like the trailers will get a lot more easy clicks because you're just watching a video than actually them downloading the game and actually playing it. So I think this is a really cool feature, and I'm happy to see what they will release next, and I bet they will probably be releasing a bunch of new ones very, very soon. But since this is the very first one they've ever done, I wanted to make a video on this and show you how to get it. Plus, the avatar decoration is actually pretty clean. But in that case though, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this one, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. And please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.